In this presentation, we're talking about Excel websites, suggested websites that for training, Excel training. Following the suggested websites have been found very useful in my Excel journey that provide resources and courses to take to increase your knowledge and skills for using Microsoft Excel software over the years. There's so many YouTube videos and channels, and these have been found which, when you subscribe, they have logs, downloadable Excel files. In some cases, they have some add-ins, which also help to use Excel smarter and quicker. Some have free Excel tips, tricks, PDFs you can download. There's so much Excel has built in and make not used on a regular basis. Here we show the Excel Camp led by John Alcantara, Microsoft MVP. The website has resources, online courses, member forums, and then blogs on many parts of Excel: tables, pivot tables, pivot charts, macros and VBA, tips and suggestions, add-ins for Excel, and tutorials. We take courses online. They're broken down into 12 modules and complete courses that we provide with completion certificate. Along with this website. Here we have the Excel Plus site. So, Leela Garani, it's also Microsoft MVP. Website that I saw Excel training with other Microsoft apps, Teams, Microsoft Outlook, PowerPoint, Google Sheets, accounting, and other apps. When you go to the website, you can search like tutorials, online courses, and resources. And the link is shown below. Here we have the My Online Training Hub site. With Linda Creasy and Microsoft MVP. When you go to this website, there are several choices such as the following: courses, resources, blog, Excel webinars available, Excel add-ins, Excel forum, and Excel tips and tricks ebook. It's available for download. The website is shown here below. And then here we have the My Excel Online website. This website is great for learning Excel for all levels and provides online courses for beginner, intermediate, and advanced. The courses enroll in the My Online Excel Online Academy. Each level is broken down with short videos on each subject and download Excel practice files provided to help in your learning experience. At completion of each of the courses, then you have a completion certificate. There is a pre-downloadable Excel tips, tricks, and ebook available. And we also provide webinars on various subjects of working with Excel. And there are links shown here below. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave any comments or questions on my channel, and I link to my channel is shown here below.